From the Agreement Manager, click Plus Agreement. Enter a location, type, and employee, as well as any other data you may need. Here, you can select a start date, the duration of the agreement, and the agreement rate. Additionally, you also have billing options. You may bill at the time of service, or you may use periodic billing. You may set the invoice date to the day of generation or the day of the month. You may also specify the number of billings. Here, you may specify the labor hours, the labor cost, and the material cost. The total estimate will automatically calculate. Clearly define the agreement coverage by adding equipment here. Under Options, select Yes for preventative maintenance. This will open an additional section where you can create a standard or custom schedule, define the work order frequency, select the start date and which days of the week, auto-generate the preventative maintenance order for scheduling. This way, no one has to manually review all of the preventative maintenance agreements and enter them in each month. Finally, click Create Agreement.